Install the toilet riser supply line so it runs smoothly from the shutoff valve to the tank without sharp bends that cause kinks. Start by shutting off the water and flushing the toilet to drain the tank and remove excess water. Select a flexible braided supply hose that matches the distance, typically 16-inch for a standard install, and avoid excess length that must be folded. Inspect the shutoff valve and tank inlet threads for damage and clean any debris or old tape. Hand tighten the hose fittings onto the valve and tank first, so you get proper thread alignment and prevent cross-threading. Then finish with a quarter turn using an adjustable wrench only if needed. When routing the hose, create a gentle S or U-shaped curve that never bends tighter than the hose diameter and keep the curve gradual along the full run. After tightening, slowly restore water pressure while watching both connection points and the hose body so you can stop and correct any twist or pressure deformation. Common problems include over-tightening the fittings, which can crack plastic tank inlets or damage washer seals, so stop when snug and use minimal wrench force to avoid that damage. Another frequent issue is choosing a hose that is too short or too long, leading to strain or crowded folds. Measure the run with the toilet in its final position and use a hose that allows a gentle curve without slack. Twisting the hose during installation can cause internal damage that looks like a kink later, so keep the hose straight while threading, let the hose rotate freely rather than forcing it to follow a twisted path, and reroute if you notice any twist before final tightening. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors and compare options for projects like plumbing and supply line replacement. We also provide a discussion community where we and other users share real experiences and tips, and contractors can connect with potential clients.